Hi everyone, this is Rocky and join me again as I unbox and review this new Xiaomi Buds 3D Pro.
Hi everyone, this is Runner Rocky and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Aside from workout, running, doing vlogs, or watching my favorite series, I also love music. So yours truly, Runner Rocky, is also a music enthusiast. Therefore, this new Xiaomi Buds Pro 3D is my perfect companion. So without further ado, join me now as I unbox and review this new Xiaomi Buds. Let's go! The Xiaomi Buds comes in two colors, the gloss white and the carbon black. Xiaomi gave me this black for my review. And as you can see, the buds are protected in this case. The box itself give us the details, the main specs of this new Xiaomi Buds. The Buds is so classy and it is covered in this black case. The case itself, together with the Buds, is so lightweight. With its 65 by 48 by 24 dimension, you can bring these buds everywhere. And as you can see, it was enclosed and protected by this cute casing, which also served as its charger. Showcasing its case, it can be charged by a Type-C charger, and the charging time or the battery life is 6 hours for single charge and 24 hours with case. The actual bud is so classy with its sleek designs and so lightweight, so you can wear it everywhere without thinking it is heavy or not. And just like the other buds, it has a foam which will make you feel comfortable. And unlike the other buds, it has a longer swan, a longer tip, so that it can hang perfectly in your ears. Well, aside from the case and the earbuds itself, let's also check out what's more inside the box. This black box contains, of course, the manual, the Xiaomi Buds 3D Pro user manual, where it details the setup, the characteristics, and the important functions of the device. It is written in English and in Chinese characters. Smaller boxes inside the box contain the other gears. So this one, we have 3 pairs or 6 foams that can be replaced with our buds. So when the earphone is damaged, you can actually replace it with the 6 or 3 pairs of this foam for the safety and comfortability in our ears. Wow! Aside from these replaceable foams, let's find out what else is inside the box. Oh yes, the charger. In contrary, the charger, which is Type-C, is in color white. So here is a Type-C charger where we could connect to the USB port or to the power supply, and the other one, the Type-C. The Type-C port is where you connected it to the case for charging. So again, these are the things inside the box of the Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. From the main device, to its case, to its accessories, to the charger, and to the manual. Going to its technical and functionality aspects, this device has a Bluetooth 5.2 BLE connectivity and with an audio codec of SBC AC LDH4 4.0. And yes, it has an ANC depth which is up to 40 dB. What more do I love more about this device is that it has a studio level sound. So whenever you use it, when you're watching your favorite movies or TV series from your phone, you can hear it a studio level sound. It seems that you're watching it on a big theater. What more? Since I love music, what I'm looking for a device is that it gives me a cruise and an active or immersive listening experience. Using this device, I have a very crisp and very immersive listening experience with an active noise cancellation. Just like I've said, it is easy to wear. It's too comfortable since it's a very lightweight. So whenever you're doing more walks, runs, or major workouts, you can wear it anywhere. Especially like me and an active person doing so much sports, running, or healthy lifestyle, it's perfect for me. Classy, cute, stylish are some of the words to describe these earbuds. And yeah, it perfectly fits my lifestyle. Since I'm a movable person, I love running, walking, doing different fitness activities, it perfectly suits me. And as you can see, the design of these earbuds is so sleek. It didn't immediately fall on your ears because of this design. So whatever you do, just like doing activities here in my workstation, listening to music or watching my series, or even doing outside workouts, running or walking, it perfectly fits my lifestyle and my daily activities. So, wherever I go, this earbud is always with me. Since it's connected to my phone, I can listen to music wherever I go. Inside my house, or even I could also attend calls when my phone is ringing since it's also connected in my mobile phone. So again, thank you mga karockers for watching and joining me as I review and unbox these new Xiaomi earbuds. Now I have more motivations to do my workout or do my work, office work or planning with this companion. So see you on my next vlog, and don't forget to visit my blog site runnerrocky.com because I will write there all my experience and honest review, technical details, and more functionalities of these earbuds. So see you, and thank you again for watching.
Thank you for watching Karockers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button here in my YouTube channel Runner Rocky for more updates, vlogs, reviews, reactions, celebrity interviews, high BL news, and livestream videos. See you all.